very warm welcome to my class 5th students. Today I am going to discuss chapter number 1 of environmental studies, that is science, super senses. In this video I am going to explain all the exercises of chapter number 1, super senses, so that it will be easy for you to learn for your periodic test. So have you ever wondered when your mom calls you, take your favorite lunch, the first thing you really feel happy, and then your mother calling you for the lunch, you come and sit on the chair. The food is served in front of you. You can smell the food, you can feel the food by touching it, and finally you taste the delicious food. Yeah, very yummy. How can we do all these things? We use our senses, that is, sense of hearing, sense of touch, sense of taste, sense of sight, sense of smell. So there are 5 sense organs you can see in the given picture. In the same way, some animals also have the amazing senses, which is called super senses. Super means that something is especially good. So a super sense must mean that an animal or a person has an especially powerful sense. Now we'll do the revision of fill in the blanks of chapter 1, super senses. Number 1. Some male insects can recognize their females by their smell. It means they have amazing power of smelling the body of the female insects. Kites, eagles and vultures can see 4 times as far as we can. So, kites and eagles can see 4 times further compared to us. So they have the powerful sense of sight. Number 3. Animals that are awake at night can see things only in black and white. It means that the animals that are awake in the daytime can see some colors, but the animals like tiger that are awake at night can see the things only in black and white color. Elephant, rabbit, cow and buffalo have ears bigger than our ears. So their ears are bigger than human ears. Fishes give alarm call by electric signals. So fishes have the super sense as they warn others of dangers by giving electric signals. Animals can see as many colors as we can false. So animals cannot able to see the colors as we can see. Number 2. Animals with bigger ears have better hearing than animals with smaller ears. It's true. And those animals having big ears, they can hear better than the animals having small ears. 3. Snakes do not have external ears. Yes, they don't have external ears which we can see. They only feel the vibration on the ground. Number 4. Some animals start behaving in a different way when an earthquake or storm is about to come. Yes, some animals like fishes, they come out and they know of the danger when it comes. Dolphins make different sounds to give message to each other. It's true. Scientists believe that many animals have a special language of their own. In the same way, dolphins also have the special language to give them messages. Now you can see the chart, the smell you like and the smell you don't like. In the first column you can see some of the smell you like roses, room freshener, biryani, floor cleaner, incense stick. These smell you like. And now in the second column you can see the things given whose smell you don't like stale food, rotten eggs, garbage in dustbin, cow dung, dead animals. Match the following. Dog sniffing. So dog sniffs means it smells their own area. Second, garbage bad smell. As you know, garbage smells very bad. Snakes, vibration. So snakes feel the vibration on the ground. Sloth, 17 hours. Sloth is an animal which sleeps for 17 hours. Giraffe sleeps for 2 hours. Tiger's whiskers. So tigers' whiskers are very sensitive. They can sense the movements or vibration in the air. It helps them to move in the dark and find its prey. Number 7. 40 years sloth. So sloth lives for 40 years. 8. Musk deer scent. So musk deers are killed by hunters and poachers to make a little scent from its musk. Answer the following questions briefly. What are senses? As I told you before, there are 5 types of senses. So these senses are the natural paths through which we receive information about the world around us. These senses are touch, taste, sight, hear and smell. Number 2. What special sense do the following have? Ants. Ants have a very powerful sense of smell. They can deduct the food by their smell. They recognize each other and walk in a line using this sense. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes have a very powerful sense of smell. They can find us by our smell. They can smell our sole of our feet and heat of our body. Eagle. Eagle can see things from a distance of 8 meters, which we can see from a distance of 2 meters. Their eyes are very sharp, which helps them to find their food also. Number 3. How does a mosquito know where a person is? Mosquito can find a person by the smell of his body. It means by the heat of their body, they smell the person. Number 4. Why do dogs sniff here and there? Dogs mark out their area by the smell of their urine. They recognize their area by sniffing here and there. Sniffing means they can smell and they can know about their areas by the power of smelling. Name a bird which has eyes in front of its head. So owl is the only bird that has eyes in front of its head to see the things. Name some birds which have eyes on either side of the head. Penguins, crow, sparrow, eagle are some birds with eyes on either side of head. So they move their head to look around. Number 7. How do the ants move in a line? As ants move, they leave a smell on the ground. The other ants follow the same smell to find the way. Thus, they move in a line. As you see, 8. Name some animals which sleep during the winter. So bee, snakes, bear, rats, squirrel, lizards are the animals sleep during the winters as their body temperature gets down and they become inactive in winters. So that period is called the period of hibernation when they sleep in winter. Answer the following questions in detail. Number 1. Why do birds move their head very often? Most of the birds have fixed eyes and they cannot move. So the birds have to turn their head to look around very often, and in the most of the birds' eyes are fixed. Number 2. What special senses do some birds like kites, eagle, watchers have? How do they make use of this special sense? These birds can see from a distance of 8 meters, as we can see from the distance of 2 meters. They uses this super sense to catch their prey. Prey means the enemy, the food they want to eat. How do animals use sound to send message and communicate with each other? Give 2 examples. So animals used to make a special warning. They call the others by the special warnings of dangers. Birds also use sound to warn about the danger. Fishes give alarm call by electric signals. So they have the super sense to warn of the dangers to other animals. 4th, what super sense does a tiger have? So the tiger has a very sharp sense of hearing. It can differentiate the rustling of leaves and sounds of animals moving on the ground. His ears can move in different directions to catch sound from all around. So the tigers can sense the movement. Who are hunters and poachers? Why do they poach animal? Hunters and poachers are people who catch and kill animals. They kill them for their skin, bones, teeth and horn, etc. Elephants are killed for their tusk, rhinoceros for their horn, tigers, crocodile are killed for their skin and musk deer for the scent. Question number 6. What is the reason for decreasing number of some animals? What steps are being taken to protect these animals? The reason for the decreasing number of some animals is hunting and poaching. Means some hunters are killing, so their numbers are decreasing. The animals are hunted on large scale for their skin, bone, teeth, etc. as I have told you. To protect these animals, the government has made forests as protected areas. Forest means they have made national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere. For example, you can see in our Uttarakhand, Jim Corbett Park is there, and Ghana in Bharatpur district of Rajasthan. In these areas, nobody can hunt the animals and destroy the jungles. Otherwise, strict action is taken for them. My dear children, this was the revision of exercises of chapter number 1. At this time, your mode of test is through Google form. So first read the questions carefully, choose the correct option and revise before submitting. So all the best for your tomorrow's periodic test. Thank you. Have a blissful day.